Hello students, welcome in your English online class. Let's begin our lecture. Today we are going to study the use of comma in a sentence. In this topic we will study where do we make use of comma and why it is necessary to use comma in a sentence. Here we are with the first use of comma, to give short pause. Whenever we need to give short pause in a sentence, we go with a comma. Short pause means थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकना. For example, I have a book, notebook and a bag. Now we see that while speaking this sentence, I have a book. After the word book, we are giving a short pause here. So we will apply comma between book and notebook. Just have a look once again. I have a book, comma, notebook and a bag. Next sentence, Shubham, come here. Whenever we address someone, we call someone and we take the name of that person, for example, Shubham. After saying Shubham, we are giving a short pause here. We are not directly saying Shubham, come here. No, we say Shubham. After that, we are giving a short pause. And to indicate that short pause, we will apply comma here. Shubham, comma, come here. Next is Aniket, do you work? Aniket, do your work. So we are saying that we are taking the name of Aniket, we are addressing him, and after saying Aniket, we are giving a short pause here. So we will apply comma here. After Aniket, comma will come. The next use of comma is in yes or no sentences. Students, we see that in response of some questions, to answer some questions we use yes or no. So after saying yes or no, we will apply comma. Let us begin with the example. Yes, comma, I will do it. हाँ, मैं यह कर दूँगा. But if we are saying no, after saying no, we will apply comma. No, I won't do it. नहीं, मैं यह नहीं करूँगा. नहीं. After saying no, we are stopping for some time. We are giving a short pause here. Similarly, in next sentence, yes, she is my teacher. Yes, after yes, what do? We will apply comma. Again, no, I don't know her. No, after saying no, we will apply comma because after uttering this word, we are giving a short pause here. The next use of comma is after introductory adverbs. Whenever we use introductory adverbs, we apply comma after them. इंट्रोडक्टरी एडवर्ब्स क्या होती हैं बेटा? जो स्टार्टिंग में आती हैं, जो हमारी एडवर्ब्स हैं सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में आ जाती हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड इंट्रोडक्टरी एडवर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कुड नॉट गिव एग्ज़ाम. अनफॉर्चुनेटली कॉमा आई कुड नॉट गिव एग्ज़ाम. दुर्भाग्य से मैं एग्ज़ाम नहीं दे सका था. नेक्स्ट, फाइनली शी एडमिटेड हर मिस्टेक. आखिरकार उसने अपनी गलती मान ली थी. फाइनली आफ्टर फाइनली वी आर पुटिंग कॉमा हियर. नर्वसली ही केम टू मी टू टॉक. देन वी विल अप्लाई कॉमा आफ्टर द वर्ड नर्वसली. दिस इज our introductory adverb. So class, this is your use of comma. I hope now you are well comfortable to use comma in a sentence. Now you have the knowledge where to use it and why to use it, because without comma any sentence can give you wrong meaning. Thank you students. Watch the video again. Keep on practicing. Good.